Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So the last video, there was an issue with the audio that got cut off. Right now the audio should be fine, so I'm gonna continue on the part where the audio cut. Now in the last video, which was again 30 minutes ago, I told you guys that right now is the time to be looking to take your money off the table. And I got cut off when I told y'all that I have puts on AMD. And so far, AMD is looking like this. All right. Now, I got puts on it yesterday, right at when it broke down below this level right here, 101. I got puts for today, and the price target for it is 98 bucks. All right. And as you can see at the bottom right here, I literally just sold like right at the open, because the stock did exactly what I wanted to do. The market is moving at the moment. Could it go lower? I think we have to wait and see if it breaks below 97.78. I do have an alert at 90 bucks. The question is, will it actually drop all the way down to 90 bucks? It's a maybe. Since we're on it right now and I'm fixing the issue from the last video, watch it for a continuation down, but after some chop because of the massive drop that happened. Looking at it on a daily chart, it's looking like that. As you can see, a lot of you may recognize the structure. All right, it is the same structure that I shared with you guys yesterday. Okay, it's the same structure that market is moving right now, and I'm legit thinking about just shorting this thing. I have to record this thing really quick. So is it going to go down to 90? I think it most likely will, either today or the next day on Friday. All right, now talking about SMH, it looks like SMH, this chart right here, and I told you guys on, I believe it was on Sunday, to watch it for a drop into the, okay, all right, it's dropping right now. I told you guys to watch SMH for a drop all the way down to 193, and I told you guys to watch SMH. I told you guys to watch SMH for a drop to 137, and I think it's going to happen, as well as the drop on AMD. All right, now watch this one for a short. Y'all should be up plenty on those puts already. Today's the day to monitor and to watch for new opportunities intraday. All right, those puts should be up by quite a lot. If we look over here, we look at the trade section and we go down, see the contracts are up by double already, and the further out of the money contracts are up by 160%. So congrats to anybody who shorted that. I didn't make a video yesterday morning, again, because there wasn't enough to discuss, but I did tell you guys about this drop right here. All right, so again, I released this one for channel members to see it because of the morning, and eventually it's getting really close. It's getting really close. Now let's look at another stock, Apple right here. Apple right here is bouncing off of supports at 173.80. Now there is some people may argue that it's a bearish rectangle or just a descending triangle. It's not quite like the angle at the top is not quite slanted down, but it's still clean. I have my alert at 173.30, so put your list there and watch it for a potential drop, because if that breaks, these individuals on the left are going to panic. These individuals right here are also going to panic, and the short sellers from yesterday are going to add to their position. We'll see a drop on this one. All right, so Tesla is also dropping as well. In the last video, I gave you guys a warning to watch Tesla for a move down to 258. Yesterday it showed a double top before the drop right here. It had top number 1, top number 2, followed by the drop overnight with everything else. There is a gap to fill on the left hand side at exactly 251. It should be getting there right now. I have to write something. Tesla gap to fill at 251 on the daily. I just put out a message in the Discord. So watch this one for a continuation down today. It might chop again. I'm still in between whether we drop fast or whether we chop slowly to this whether we chop slowly before we drop again on Friday. Either way, I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish overall. So watch for intraday structures for that one. The last one that I've mentioned in that video 30 minutes ago is Baba. And Baba, I told you guys again, the gap got filled. The gap got filled and people are taking their money off the table. This one was another one from Sunday. All right, it was another one from Sunday. I told you all for a drop. Congratulations, by the way. If you bought puts on it on Monday, Tuesday, or wait, on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Yeah, congratulations for that because your put should be up by a lot. And this is the time again to cover. Now it's not the time to be greedy because the biggest move already happened. All right, so that's why I'm not too I am a little sad that these bells are ringing right now and I'm recording. I'm trying to fix that video that I put out, but that's all right. I don't think I will be too quick to jump into a new position right now. Not until like later, not until the morning chop has happened and then we see a massive wave to the downside either this afternoon or tomorrow. So that's what I wanted to sort out from the last video, and that is again the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you'd like to be part of our private Discord community, the first link in the description of the video below. To be channel members, again, click on the join button and then click on the morning videos to get these videos again 15 to 20 minutes before the market opens. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is NGumah with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.